In Jaintia Hills, NPP candidate from Khiliat constituency, Netlang Lingdo, yesterday filed his nomination papers. He will be going up against sitting MLA and UDP candidate Kermen Shilla. Netlang had joined the NPP in March 2022 after winning 2 times. The Netlang quit politics but decided to fight the poll battle again. He was elected in 2003 and 2008, and despite being a sitting MLA, he did not contest in 2013. In Ribhoi, 8 candidates have filed their nominations. The 5 NPP candidates include sitting MLA of Jirang constituency, Sosthenes Sotun, Magdalene S. Maulong from Umsning, sitting MLA of Umsning, Jason Maulong, Shamphang Lingdo from Mauhati, and D. Lamare from Umroi constituency. Other parties include Primson Makdo, HSPDP candidate from Umsning, Donlang Soklet, PDF candidate from Umsning, and Adrian L. Khan Milliam INC candidates from Jirang constituency.